No matter what business you're in and how big your company is, you've probably got a surprising amount of old computer equipment and service, including more than a few aging monitors. You may be abiding by the old adage, if it's not broke, don't fix it, which makes intuitive sense but could be costing you in ways you don't realize. Here are 3 compelling reasons to consider upgrading your aging fleet of monitors. Number 1, improved resolution. Monitor resolution has advanced dramatically in recent years, and if your current monitors are more than a couple of years old, they're essentially dinosaurs. Increased resolution means more work area, which means more versatility and improved productivity without having to spring for a dual monitor setup common in many professions. While studies have shown that a dual monitor setup increases productivity, it also increases employee fatigue. A single, high-resolution monitor with an expansive work area can provide the same benefit minus the fatigue. That's a win for you and for your employees. Number 2, higher definition. Business is increasingly visual. Whether you're pitching a new client or preparing slides to present to the next interdepartmental meeting, visuals matter. And visuals displayed on a modern, high-resolution monitor pop in ways that older monitors simply can't compete with. If you want to dazzle your clients, you need to upgrade your monitors so you can take better advantage of color management, which results in more vibrant colors and better visuals overall. Number 3, price. Today's high-res monitors can be had for a song. Relatively speaking, which means in addition to seeing productivity improvements and reducing employee fatigue, you're also winning in that you don't have to pay a premium for those improvements. The bottom line is, there's never been a better time to retire your old monitors and upgrade. It's a great, surprisingly cost-effective way to give your business a competitive edge.